So, we were looking down by one of the towers. That's one of the towers. And we were looking at the water as we're on the other side of the Hoover Dam. And there's fish, big ones, down there.
Yeah.
You can see them. And they're just hanging out, waiting to be caught.
They're waiting for Rachel. Yeah, they're big fish. You won't be able to see them on the video here, but they're right in the shallows.
Jeez.
This is so cool here. Look at the towers.
Yeah.
This water's 145 feet below right now. Take a full scan here. The new bypass. Drive right across the dam. What time is it, Rach?
Well, in Arizona it's 2:30.